Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we simplify your digital life. Today, we're diving into how to send the stickers to someone on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. Take out your phone and launch the Instagram application. Ensure that you're signed into the correct account before we proceed. Step 2. Look for the message icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen, and give it a tap. Step 3. Now, scroll through your chat list and select the friend you'd like to surprise with a sticker. Step 4. Once you've opened the conversation, focus on the message input area at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on the plus icon, usually located to the right of the message box. Step 6. A new menu will pop up with various options. Select Stickers to access a wide array of fun and expressive stickers. Step 7. Browse through the stickers and choose one that captures the mood or message you want to send. Tap on it, and voila, your sticker is on its way. Congratulations! You've just sent a sticker to someone on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.